Most people enter trading trying to predict the market. Professional traders survive by understanding behaviors, probability, and the risk. Prediction is actually the smallest part of the game. So, before charts, indicators, or strategies, this channel is about learning how the market really moves and how traders actually lose the money. Let's jump into it. In this video, we are going to start with the basics. We are not going to talk about things that is very advanced or that is irrelevant. If you are starting as a new trader, so this is the essential toolkit for you. Like where to start, why to start, how to start, and what to start. The methods, the strategies, the things that we are going to study is applicable to all assets, such as you are trading a stock, crypto, gold, or a forex market. What is the beauty of this market? The forex market operates continuously from Sunday evening to Friday afternoon, UTC time, making it most accessible financial market in the world. Trading follows the sun across four major sessions: New York, London, Sydney, and Tokyo. Each session has unique characteristics. Different currency pairs dominate, volatility levels shift, and liquidity varies. Session overlaps create the highest volume trading windows, and that is the most volatile period of the trading, offering the best opportunities for beginners. Understanding each session helps you plan what to trade based on your strategy, time zone, and risk tolerance. Let's start with the Tokyo session. From 12 a.m. to 9 a.m., midnight to early morning, that's the session time. So what pairs are most active during this session? All pairs that comes with JPY are the active currency pairs like USD JPY, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, AUD JPY. Volatility level in this session is low to moderate. The Tokyo session is the calmest of the four, making it a great learning environment for beginners. Price movement tends to be smaller and more predictable. Tokyo session has some characteristics, often sets the tone for the day. Breakout from Tokyo ranges can signal strong trends. The Bank of Japan's monetary policy heavily influenced JPY pairs. Liquidity is thinner than London or New York, so spread may be slightly wider. Best for rich trading strategies, scalping JPY pairs, and traders who prefer a slow-paced environment with less sudden price spikes. So if you are starting a trading, or if you are already in the trading but you don't like the volatility or you can't handle the volatility, then you should start with Tokyo session. The next is London session that starts from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. UTC, and the most active pairs in these sessions are like Euro USD, GBP USD, and Euro GBP USD CHF. Volatility level in this session is moderate to high, is more faster than Tokyo session but slower than New York session. London is the world's largest forex trading hub, accounting for roughly 38% of all daily forex volume. Expect big fast move, especially in the first 2 hours as European traders react to overnight news. Like Tokyo session, London session have some characteristics. The London session often breaks through ranges established in Tokyo. If Tokyo session was in accumulation, London session can do manipulation or distribution, or vice versa. Tight spreads and deep liquidity make execution efficient. Major economic releases from the UK and Eurozone, like GDP, CPI, interest rate decisions, create sharp move. The London fix at 4 p.m. UTC can cause sudden spikes. So London session is best for trend following strategies, breakout trading, and traders who want maximum liquidity and tighter spread on major pairs. The next is the New York session that starts from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. UTC, and the most active pair during these sessions are Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, USD CAD, and USD CHF. This is the highly volatile session, and London overlap with the New York from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., and that's the most volatile window. This is the most heavily traded window in the entire 24-hour cycle. The US dollar dominates this session since it's involved in 88% of all Forex trades. High impact news release like non-farm payroll, Fed rate decisions, CPI create explosive moves. Commodity currencies like CAD and AUD also see increased activity. Afternoon hours tend to be quieter as European traders log off. Best for news-driven trading, momentum strategies, and traders who want to capitalize on the London session. New York overlap for the maximum volume. Next is the Sydney session that starts from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. UTC. Open the trading week on Sunday evening. Key pairs AUD, USD, NZD, USD, AUD, NZD. During this period, the volatility is bit low with the wider spread, best for position building and range bound strategies. Key session overlaps, high volume windows. Tokyo and London that overlap from 7 to 9 a.m. UTC. Moderate volume, good for Euro and JPY and GBP JPY. London and New York 12 to 4 p.m. UTC, the highest volume period globally. Tightest spread, deepest liquidity, and biggest move, ideal for all strategies. Here is a tip for the beginner. Start by focusing on the London session, New York overlap. It offers the best conditions for learning. High liquidity, reduced slippage, and clear trend are easier to identify. Join our Discord community for more trading education, market discussions, and learning resources. Scan the QR code on screen to join. And one last important information. This content is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial investment or trading advice. Trading financial market involves significant risk and losses can exceed deposits. All trading decisions are made at your own risk. We do not guarantee profits, income, or specific results. Past performance does not guarantee future outcomes. By using this content, you acknowledge full responsibility for your own trading and financial decisions.